Hello, my name is Nami. I live in Japan. I have 2 boys, so I show my life in Japan on rainy days. My sons are 5 and 1. In the morning, I dropped my older son at daycare. After that, I went to the supermarket. In Japan, it's common to put umbrellas in plastic bags so stores don't get wet. There were a lot of strawberries. It was spring. They also sell fresh vegetables grown nearby. Rice is a staple food in Japan, so we have many kinds of furikake. It's a simple seasoning we enjoy with rice. There are many kinds of fish on this shelf. Pre-seasoned fish is convenient and tastes great. My son grabbed the Anpanman fish sausage and wouldn't let go. When we got home, my son got fussy. He ate the sausage he picked out and he felt better. Later, we went to a laundromat. I use it sometimes. Coin laundromat in Japan is very clean. This machine dries clothes for 8 minutes for 100 yen. First, I press the drum fresh button, which cleans inside of the dryer. Next, I put the clothes in the dryer and start the machine, paid with my laundry card. I like this place because it has a small kids area. I can let child play while I do laundry. There's a place to sit and relax. The clothes are dry, so I put them in the basket. I folded the laundry on the table. There was also a place to keep lost items. I hurried home and made lunch. I made tamagoyaki, a Japanese omelette. I added some finely chopped frozen vegetables. My family likes sweet flavors, so I add sugar to my tamagoyaki. All done cooking. Today's menu is tamagoyaki, simmered hijiki, and strawberries. I made simmered hijiki yesterday. My son loves eating. He's been into tamagoyaki lately. He is getting better at eating by himself. After lunch, we sang and played. This is Warabe Uta. It's a traditional Japanese children's song. I had some time, so I displayed the Boys' Day doll. It's called kabuto in Japan. This decoration was made by my mother. It must be about 30 years old now. The rain stopped, so we went for a walk in the park. The cherry blossoms are in full bloom. Even the cherry blossoms scattered by the rain are beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.